happier in this role than I was in my previous role. The first and second episode of the Sex and the City reboot will literally Good morning, everyone. What is up? Welcome back to my channel. Pause because I need a little coffee break. I haven't even taken a sip of my coffee this morning. Hits the spot. I truly think that I may have discovered something by putting my iced coffee in a Yeti because like it just makes it taste 10 times better. And I think it's because the Yeti is insulated and makes the coffee colder than what it would be otherwise. I don't know, I may have hacked the system on that one, but it's really good. Just wanted to say hello, what's up, welcome back to another vlog. Gonna be doing a little day in my life video. I haven't picked up the camera literally all week. It's Friday now and I haven't picked up the camera since like last Thursday I think maybe. If you guys are new around here or if you guys didn't watch any of my previous vlogs, I will catch you up to speed as to what's been going on this week. But essentially I started a new job this week at a new company. It's a new role, the whole 9 yards, like everything is completely new to me. So I've been spending the last week kind of getting everything in order. That includes just meeting everyone on the team, getting badge access for the office, benefits, all the yucky like adult stuff. I've just been trying to kind of get that in order. Also, I've been trying to catch up on all of the work that I'll be involved in so that I can start helping out right away, because right now I'm kind of just like a sitting duck where I don't really know too much. But there are going to be a lot of trainings coming in the future weeks. This week was just kind of the week for me to get everything that was required out of the way, such as like the learnings and the benefits and all of that stuff. So I'm really excited. It's been such a good week so far. I already really love my team. I already really love the company. I can already feel myself just being happier in this role than I was in my previous role. The last role that I was in was just a lot, but I can already feel that this role is going to be a better fit. With that being said, it's only the first week, so I could totally get to like week 2 or 3 and be like, what the heck did I get myself into? But for the most part, I'm like, I like everyone on my team. Everyone's so nice and so welcoming, and I'm actually gonna get the chance to meet them in person next week, which is really exciting. So yeah, that's just kind of what's going on currently. I have been having such a good week so far, but I haven't picked up the camera to vlog just because it is my first week of work and I just kind of want to focus in on work. But today's Friday. I literally only have like 2 meeting calls today. So I figured I would pick up the camera and vlog during my breaks. So I just wanted to say, what is up? Welcome back to this channel. I'm excited to take you guys along with me through a little day in my life. Also ignore just like the breakouts on my face. Everyone gets them, they're natural, but at this point they're scars because I picked at them and I know better than to pick at them, but I did it anyways because we're all human, right? So just ignore that if you see it on my face. I have been trying to get them to go away, but I feel like scars take a while to disappear, and I don't really feel like wearing makeup today, so that is where we're at. I'm getting ready to make breakfast. I think I'm gonna make some waffles because I'm out of avocados. Also, I've just been craving waffles and I bought some frozen ones from Trader Joe's on Monday, maybe? Last week, I think, actually. Last week. So, that is what is on the menu for breakfast this morning. So, gonna do that. But I wanted to tell you guys, I watched the reboot of Sex and the City last night. HBO Max came out with a, like, HBO original, basically the reboot of Sex and the City. And when I tell you I was not okay after watching the first and second episode, I was not okay. The first and second episode of the Sex and the City reboot will literally make you sob because I was bawling for 2 hours. I was legitimately, tears were down my face. I was in bed sobbing. This is gonna make no sense if you haven't seen it or if you don't care, but emotionally unstable for those 2 hours and like 2 hours after watching that show, because there was no need for them to do what they did. And if you watch the show, you know what I mean. It just had me emotionally distraught for like 4 hours. It's okay though. It's fine. I get it. You know, pull some heartstrings, make it a little sad. is what it is, but hopefully the rest of the show isn't gonna be depressing like that, or I'm not gonna freaking watch it. I cannot go into every Sex and the City reboot episode thinking that I'm gonna come out emotionally unstable again. So that's just my opinion. It was good. Actually, I kind of take that back. Honestly, some of the acting was kind of cringy. It's like the characters kind of just like forgot how to be their own characters. Like some of the acting was kind of cringy in my personal opinion, but I'm still gonna watch it. I think the new episode comes out every Thursday. I hope it's like 2 episodes every Thursday and not just 1, or else it's gonna take a really long time to get through. But I'll continue watching it, and if it continues to make me cry, I'm gonna stop watching it because that's not okay. These are the waffles that I bought from Trader Joe's. They're the multi-grain waffles. It was either that or the gluten-free waffles, and I've had the gluten-free waffles before and they weren't my favorite just because they were kind of like cardboardy, but I don't know how these multi-grain waffles are gonna taste. I feel like it was during Halloween they came out with like pumpkin waffles or something of that sort, and those were so freaking good, but obviously they don't have them anymore because it's no longer Halloween. But I want them to bring back those normal waffles because I feel like sometimes these Trader Joe's waffles can get like really weird really fast. But we're gonna try these today and I'll let you guys know how it goes. Frozen waffles, they may not be good for you, but they are delicious. Waffles have been cooked. I buttered them and then chopped them up into like little waffle sticks. I've always done that since I was little, I don't know. And then I'm gonna douse it in dark maple syrup. Sorry, I'm just like a maple syrup gal. I can't imagine eating waffles with like peanut butter or literally anything else. This is the only way to go. All right, now for the taste test. Also, this is driving me nuts. I love this sweater. I got it from Zara last year, I think. I just think it's super cute and like different than any other sweater that I have. But the collar drives me nuts and like kind of irritates my skin because I'll go to flip it down like this, but it doesn't stay, and then it just ends up flipping up like this, and it like rubs the top of my neck slash my chin, which is like the only bad part about it, but I don't know how to keep it so that it stays like this. I don't know, it's kind of driving me nuts. Also, these sleeves are kind of a pain when you eat. I'm just in a complaining mood, I guess. Okay, let's give this a try. We have butter on one side, syrup on the other. These are pretty good, I'm not gonna lie. Definitely better than their gluten-free ones, just because those ones are kind of gross and they just kind of literally taste like cardboard. But better, but not as good as like the Eggo's waffle, I'll have to say. So Trader Joe's has some work to do on their waffle game, but not mad about it. This is hitting the spot. Did a little bit of laundry, as you guys saw. One of the 2 meetings that was on my calendar for today got canceled, so I literally only had 1 meeting. And since this week is just a lot of onboarding stuff, I don't really have much to do this week, so this Friday is gonna be pretty chill. I do plan on reviewing some of the documents that have been sent to me and stuff like that, but I wanted to knock out some laundry just because it's really been piling up. I've also been really lazy with laundry and giving my laundromat all the clothes that can be dried. So I've literally been paying for my clothes to be washed, which is so expensive and really dumb, and I shouldn't be doing that. But my clothes have been piling up so much lately because I've been so lazy about going to the laundromat, so it's kind of like my own fault for it. Also, I just literally almost stabbed my eye out putting away that laundry. If you guys saw that, I literally stabbed the side of my eye with one of like the wooden things that sticks out over here. That thing. And that hurt, and I literally saw my vision flash before my own eyes, so that's good. But yeah, I'm just hanging out. I also switched to this sweatshirt because the other one was irritating me so much. Also, I don't have to be on camera anymore today because I literally, like I said, only had 1 call today. So I changed into something a little bit more comfy that I could wear since I wasn't going to be on video. So that is the current update. I need to make lunch soon because I'm actually getting hungry again since I had breakfast like 2 hours ago now. But I don't know what to eat because I don't really have anything in my fridge. So I need to figure that out. I just ran downstairs because I got 2 packages in the mail. So I'm gonna open them up for you guys. My dad bought me new cockroach spray because I have had some more visitors in my apartment recently. On Monday, I think it was, I came back from watching The Bachelor at my friend Taylor's apartment, and I was getting ready for bed, and I literally came back out here from my bedroom to turn lights off, and there was a cockroach alive crawling around on my floor. And I bought Raid to get rid of the cockroaches previously. It took like a really long time to kill the cockroach. I had to like use half the bottle of Raid in order to get the cockroach to even flip over to its back to be able to squish it properly. And that's just not gonna work for me. If I am gonna have roach spray, I want it to immediately kill the roach. My dad found this on Amazon and ordered it for me, so fingers crossed that we don't have any more roaches, but if we do, fingers crossed that this kills them instantly, because you should have seen me on Monday when that happened, because I about lost my shit. I did actually lose my shit, 100%. Just went a little bit insane. This package I'm really excited about. I ordered a little set from Set Active on Black Friday, and it took forever to get here. I literally had to email them about it because I saw everyone else getting their Black Friday Set Active sets in the mail, but I just had never even received like a shipping confirmation for mine. So I got it in this really pretty set. This is the color Mocha. I'm actually getting ready to go to the gym in like 15 minutes, and I think I want to wear this to the gym. So I'm just gonna go ahead and try it on for you guys because I am super freaking excited about this. I think that the color is so pretty. This is like the perfect shade. I feel like browns are really in right now, especially for winter. So I feel like this is gonna be super flattering. I'm so excited. All right, I'm gonna try them on and I'll show you guys what it looks like off. Here's what the set looks like on. I like it. It's like not exactly what I thought it was gonna be. I like leggings that make me have like the weird leg fat on the side. Kind of susses me out, but these ones aren't too bad. That's why I don't wear Gymshark leggings, because I bought Gymshark leggings one time and they made me look like all of my fat or muscle or whatever it is for my legs like bunched up right here, so I like try to avoid leggings that do that. But I feel like this one is fairly flattering. It's cute. I mean, maybe I would try like a different set next time. This one was non-refundable. I could literally only exchange it. But I feel like I wouldn't exchange it. Like, I feel like this could be a set to lounge around in. Like I said, I'm gonna go work out, but I think I'm only gonna do like a treadmill. I probably wouldn't wear this to run because the top is kind of loose on me, but for like yoga, bar, anything where you're not doing like super high impact if you have a bigger chest would be fine for this outfit is how I feel. But overall it's like, it's kind of cute. I mean, is it the most flattering thing I've ever put on my body? No. Am I gonna return it? No. Is it comfy? Yes. So ultimately at the end of the day, as long as it's comfy, I feel like that's all that really matters. And the fact that if you feel confident in your workout sets is also what matters. Okay, not me going to the gym and then ending up at a wine tasting with 2 bottles of wine purchased after. That was so freaking random. I went to the gym, had a light workout. I just did like 30 minutes on the treadmill and then did an ab workout. Update on the top, it is very loose on me. I'm wearing a size medium, although I don't think I would size down to a small because I think then the girls would be out. So I just don't think that this is like a high impact type of workout set, but all besides the point, I did that. And then I was headed home, and tomorrow is SantaCon, like in the morning. And if you don't know what SantaCon is, it's basically a massive fundraiser that goes on in the city. I don't know exactly what they're fundraising for. I've never done SantaCon before. This is my first year, so I don't know what they're fundraising for, but it's a massive fundraiser in the city that's also a bar crawl. So everyone literally dresses up in like Santa gear. You can either dress up as Santa, the elves, reindeer, just something like Christmassy, and then does a bar crawl literally in the morning all the way up until the nighttime. We're going to my friend's pregame tomorrow morning to begin with at like 11 a.m. and I just cannot fathom drinking any other alcohol other than mimosas at 11 a.m. or like even before 2 p.m. So I think I'm gonna do, instead of mimosas with orange juice, I think I'm gonna do a mimosa with cranberry juice. It's called a poinsettia. So I wanted to stop by the store to get some Prosecco for the poinsettia mimosa situation, because I was gonna go to Trader Joe's wine store later, but I think it closes at 9 and I'm going out to dinner. So I stopped by, and then when I went into the store, they were doing like free wine tastings, and the guy asked me if I wanted to be a part of it, and I was like, listen, we're not gonna pass up an opportunity to try free wine. So I did, and then he looped me into buying this bottle of wine, which was one of the wines at the tasting. It's a Hollow Trio Gruner Veltliner. I definitely just butchered that name, but this is what the label looks like, and it's an orange wine, which is really unique, and I've had orange wines before and they're really good, and this one was super tasty. So I ended up going to the gym and then coming back with Prosecco and a bottle of orange wine, but you know, life is all about balance, I suppose. I need to go take a shower and get ready for dinner. We're going to Rosemary's East, which is in the East Village. It's under Chi-Town, and I've been wanting to go for a while because I've been to the West Village Rosemary's, and it's like one of my favorite restaurants in the city. So I'm headed to Rosemary's East, and therefore I need to get ready because I'm a sweating mess. So I will catch up with you guys in a bit. Alright, outfit of the night. I don't know how we feel about it, but these are the pants from American Eagle. They look very unflattering at this angle. Honestly, the person that I took them to at the dry cleaner took them in at the waist like way too tight, so now they're a bit uncomfortable to wear, and that's really unfortunate because they were expensive, but I'm just kind of hoping that they loosen up over time. I'm wearing my Air Force Ones. A little white tank top. Did my hair in a slicked back pony because I didn't really have time to do it. Light makeup, and now I am headed out because I am running late because I procrastinated and went to a wine tasting, but it is what it is.